morning, children. So, children, hope you all are safe at home. So, today in English, we are going to learn about U sound words, U word family. So, already we have completed in the vowels A, E, I, O, U, A sound words, E sound words, I sound words and U, O sound words. Now we are going to learn about U sound words, U word family. Okay, children? So look at the board now. Here we have an English subject and U word family concept. What picture is this, children? It's a tub. Already we have learned. What is it? It's a tub. What is the spelling of tub? T U B. Tub. And what is it, children? Oh, beautiful jug. What is it? It's a jug. What is the spelling of jug? J U G. Jug. And what picture is this, children? It's a bud. It's a bud. After blooming, it becomes flower. So this is called bud. What is the spelling of bud? B U D. Bud. And what picture is this? It's a sun. See how beautifully it is smiling. So it is sun. What is the name? What is the spelling of sun? S U N. Sun. So U is a common thing in these pictures because we are learning U word family. So like this we have many more in the textbook. UT words, UG words, UM words. Like this we have got many things. So let's go and see in the textbook. Come on. See, children, take out your English textbook. Open page number 4343. Here we have U sound words. So repeat after me, children. U-R-N, earn. What is it? U-R-N, earn. And here we have an umbrella. What is it? It's an umbrella. What is the spelling of an umbrella? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. And here we have an umpire. So what is the spelling of umpire? U-M-P-I-R-E. Umpire. And here we have an uncle. What is the spelling of an uncle? U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. And here is a dog. It is under the table. So what is the spelling of under? U-N-D-E-R. Under. And this girl is sitting on a ladder. So what is sitting on a ladder? And she is up. What is the spelling of up? U-P. Up. She climbed onto the ladder and she sat there. So that is called up. U-P. Up. Let's go with the next page, children. See, children, in the same textbook English, page number 4444. Here we have U word family. What is it? U word family. That is, first we have here UB words. What are here? UB words. What is the phonic sound of UB? Up. What is the phonic sound of UB? Up. So repeat after me, children. C-U-B, cup. C-U-B, cup. R-U-B, rub. Rubbing the hands. R-U-B, rub. And T-U-B, tub. It is called as T-U-B, tub. And cub is the baby of lion. Here we have few more. Cub, rub and tub. And here we have UG words. What is the phonic sound of UG, children? Ugh. What is the phonic sound of UG? Ugh. So here we have words. Repeat after me. B-U-G, bug. You all know this. It's an insect. B-U-G, bug. H-U-G, hug. Hugging each other and wishing. H-U-G, hug. J-U-G, jug. So we'll pour water in this and we'll use it. J-U-G, jug. And here we have R-U-G, rug, which we sit on it. R-U-G, rug. And here we have mug. M-U-G, mug. We use it in the washrooms also. M-U-G, mug. Here we have few more. bug, dug, hug, jug, mug, pug, rug and tub. Let's go with the next page, children. So children, next page, page number 4545 in our English textbook. Here we have UD, UM and UN words. So what is the phonic sound of UD? Ut. So here we have BUD, bud. MUD, mud. She's playing in the mud. So bud and mud. Here we have few more. Bud, cud, mud. And here we have UM words. What is the phonic sound of UM, children? GUM, gum. SUM, sum. And here we have few more. Gum, hum, mum, sum, yum. And here we have UN words. What is the phonic sound of UN? Un. So repeat after me, children. BUN, bun. NUN, none. RUN, run. SUN, sun. Bun, fun, gun, nun, run and sun. Let's go with the next page, children. See, children, page number 4646 in the textbook. Here we have UP, US and UT words. So what is the phonic sound of UP? Up. So PUP, pup. CUP, cup. And here we have again cup and pup. And again we have US words. So what is the phonic sound of US? Us. BUS, bus. So here we have again UT words. So what is the phonic sound of UT, children? Ut. CUT, cut. HUT, hut. NUT, nut. Here we have few more. But, cut, hut, nut. So let's go with the next page, children. So children, from page 47 we have got worksheets. So here there is a cup. So what is there in the cup? Choose and write the correct rhyming words. So rhyming words were given here. We have to select according to this and we have to fill in these blanks. So what is the spelling of first one? CUB, cub. So this is UB word. We have to find out UB words too. So here we have RUB, rub. Write down, children. RUB, rub. And one more UB word. Here we have TUB, tub. Are you able to follow, children? Come on. Second one. BUG, bug. So what is the spelling of bug? BUG, bug. So here we have to search for UG words. Ugh. So first here we have JUG, jug. And again one more UG word. Here we have MUG, mug. And see the next one, children. HUT, hut. So here we have to search for UT words. So here already we have NUT, nut. And one more UT word. Here we have CUT, cut. And the next one is BUN, bun. So UN words we have to search now. So here we have already one, that is SUN, sun. And one more UN word is GUN, gun. So children, repeat after me. Cub, rub, tub. Bug, jug, mug. Hut, nut, cut. Bun, sun, gun. So these are called rhyming words. Let's go with the next page. So children, this is page number 4848 in the textbook. Here we have got another worksheet, that is fill in the missing letters to name the pictures. Here few letters were missing. So we have to find out what are they and we have to write down according to the picture. So what picture is this, children? It's a bun. So what is the spelling of bun? B-U-N, bun. So which letter is missing, children? U is missing. So write down U. B-U-N, bun. And what picture is this, children? Gum. Already you have got a clue here. Did you see, children? So what is it? It's a gum. So what is the spelling of gum? G-U-M, gum. So which letter is missing here? G is missing. So write letter G. And in the next picture, what is it? It's a jug. So what is the spelling of jug? J-U-G, jug. J is missing. Write J. And what is it? It's a cub. What is the spelling of cub? C-U-B, cub. So which letter is missing, children? B is missing. And here the boy is running. So what is the spelling of run? R-U-N, run. So which letter is missing here? U is missing. R-U-N, run. And what is it, children? It's a rug. So what is the spelling of rug? R-U-G, rug. Then which letter is missing here? R is missing. R-U-G, rug. Completed. Let's go with the next one. So children, in page number 4949, we have got another worksheet. Match the picture to the correct word. Pictures were given in both sides and here in the center spellings were there. So what picture is this, children? It's a bud. What is it? Bud. So what is the spelling of bud? B-U-D, bud. So where is the letter B first? Yes, it is here. B-U-D, bud. So do the matching from the picture to the spelling, children. And here we have a picture of hut. What is the spelling of hut? H-U-T, hut. So where is this letter H? Yes, it is here. So do the matching, children. And here in the next picture we have a jug. So what is the spelling of jug? J-U-G, jug. So search letter J, children. Yes, it is here. So do the matching, children, from the picture to the spelling. And what is it? It's a sun. So what is the spelling of sun? S-U-N, sun. Where is letter S, children? Yeah, it is here. So do the matching, children. And see the next picture. Here we have a cup. What is the spelling of cup, children? C-U-P, cup. So where is letter C? Yeah, we have got it here. So do the matching, children. And see the next one. What picture is this? It's a tub. So what is the spelling of tub? T-U-B, tub. So where is the letter T, children? Here we have. So do the matching, children. So what is the next picture, children? What he is doing? He is cutting a paper. So cut. What is the spelling of cut? C-U-T, cut. Where is the letter C, children? Already this is over. Yeah, C-U-T, cut. Do the matching, children. And what is the last picture? It's a bun. What is the spelling of bun? B-U-N, bun. Where is the spelling of bun, children? It is here. So do the matching from the picture to the spelling. That's all. I know you people enjoyed a lot to complete all these worksheets. Let's go with the next one. See, children, page number 5050 in the textbook. Here we have got a worksheet. Complete the crosswords with the help of pictures. So already we have done this kind of crossword puzzle in the previous classes. So pictures were given, numbers also were given. So according to that we have to complete all these things. So what is the first picture? It is a cub. So what is the spelling of cub? C-U-B, cub. And what is the second picture, children? It's a bus. What is the spelling of bus? B-U-S, bus. Already B is given here. So U-S we have to write down. And what is this picture? Number 3. It's a sun. So what is the spelling of sun? S-U-N, sun. Yes, already it is there. So enough to write U-N. And who is she, children? She's a nun. So what is the spelling of nun? N-U-N, nun. Already N is here. So enough to write U-N. So completed. See the next one. Here we have got in the first picture bun. What is it, children? Bun. So write down B-U-N, bun. And what is the second picture? It's a bud. So what is the spelling of bud? B-U-D, bud. B already given there. So enough to write U-D. And here we have got one more. And what picture is this? It's a mug. What is the spelling of mug, children? M-U-G, mug. So what is the name? What is this picture? It's a gum. So what is the spelling of gum? G-U-M, gum. G already given there. So U-M, enough to write. So mug and gum. So completed children. Let's go with the next one. So children, in the textbook page number 5151. Here we have read and enjoy. Let's read. Repeat after me. A bug. A bug. A bug in a mug. A bug in a mug. Pug is a bug. So the name of this bug is Pug. Pug is in a mug. Yes or no? Pug is in a mug. The mug is on a jug. Where is the mug? The mug is on a jug. The jug is on a rug. So where is the jug? It is on a rug. So complete the sentences using the given words. Here rug is given, bug is given and mug is given. By using these three words, we have to complete all these three blanks. So let's see children. Pug is a bug. Pug is a bug. So what is the spelling of bug? B-U-G, bug. Write down children. Handwriting should be neat. And the next one. Pug is in a mug. Pug is in a mug. So what is the spelling of mug children? M-U-G, mug. And the jug is on a dash. The jug is on a rug. So what is the spelling of rug? R-U-G, rug. Hope you. So this is the last worksheet for today children. Page number 52. Let's read. A pup. What is it? A pup. A pup in a bus. A pup in a bus. Nub is a pup. The name of a pup is Nub. Nub is in a bus. Nub is in a bus. The bus is in the sun. The bus is in the sun. So complete the sentences using the given words. Sun, pup and bus. So Nub is a pup. Nub is a pup. So what is the spelling of pup? P-U-P, pup. And here we have Nub is in a dash. Nub is in a bus. Nub is in a bus. What is the spelling of bus? B-U-S, bus. The bus is in the sun. The bus is in the sun. So what is the spelling of sun? S-U-N, sun. So children, hope you understood this concept and I hope that you all enjoyed to complete all these worksheets. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.
Nice going. Let's try another one. Ha, ugh. Ha, ugh. Ha, ugh. Ha, ugh. Hug. Great. Let's try another one. Ugh. 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 Mug. Fantastic. Let's try another one. Up. 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 Cup. Cup. Amazing. Let's try another one. Up. 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 Pup. Super. Super! Let's try another one. Sun, 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 sun. Bravo! Let's try another one. Fun, 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 fun. Exceptional! Let's try another one. Cut, 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 cut. Bravo! Let's try another one. Gum, 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 gum. Sensational! Let's try another one. Ud, 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 ud. Mud! Bravo! I truly enjoyed reading together. I have to go, but let's read again soon. Take care!